Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm covering Movavi Video Editor's how to add media files and how to add music to your video that you added. So basically what you want to do up here is just click on My Files and then Add Media Files, and you could get any media file from your computer. I'm going to go to my downloads. And I'm downloading Beach. And that's all there is to it. I have the video and I also have audio with it, but the audio is blank. So then what you do is you click on the audio track down here, the MP4, and you throw it in the trash. And now I want to add music to my clip. And I want to start the music right at the beginning and end right at the end of the clip. So I just click on music. And here you could download a lot more music, but with the Movavi Video Editor, you can choose from 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 24 different music tracks. Now I have a scene of a beach here, so let's see what would sound good with a beach. I'll put inspiration. So we just drag this, you just click on it and drag it, and you'll see a red circle inside of it. That means that you can't drop it there. But when you're down in the area where you can put it, and you'll see the music symbol there on the left-hand side. See it right there? You can place this music track wherever you want. And this music track is a little longer than my clip, so then I just trim it. And you can trim it one of two ways. You can just slide it like so, or what you could do, and this is the easiest way, is you select it at the end and then clip it, and then click on this and throw it out. So basically that's all there is to it. You know, now I have a music track and I have a video track, and then from here you could just add anything you want to, more tracks. Let me show you. You know, I want this video to be longer than it is, so if I click on it, I could go up to edit and copy it, and then just excuse me, then I could paste it, and now it's twice as long. And I could also do this for the music track. I click on it, go up to edit, copy, and now paste. Now that happens a lot of times. It overlapped my music. So then what you have to do is you have to drag your music to the end of the other one. So now I'll have 3 sections. It's a much longer video, and it ends right at the end. And then to watch what you've done, you just drag to the end, and click the play button. Now how about I add an effect to it? So right here on the left, I go to Effects, and I want to turn this beautiful video into a grayscale for a minute. So then what I do is I just drag this wherever I want it to start, click on it, cut it, and then drag the effect, the grayscale, down to that part. Now watch what I just did. Very simple. I love this Movavi Video Editor, and I have a lot of videos pertaining to it because there's a lot you could cover with this software. And there's my effect. I turned it black and white, and there's literally all kinds of effects you could use to do all kinds of different things. Let me right here turn it into an old movie. So what I'll do is I'll cut it, and it has the black and white effect to it because I cut it. So then you click on the star, you'll see it, old movie grayscale. I'm going to remove that effect, and then I'm going to go up here and grab old movie sepia and put that there. And I also want scratches in there, so I grab another one, drag that over it, and now I turned it into an old movie. So let's check that out. And there's one other thing I want to show you after I show you how this changes right here. And there it is, an old movie sepia with the scratches. Now the last thing I want to show you in this video is transitions. If you go over to the left, this right here is for transitions. And there's all kinds of different transitions. So I'm going to do just a pinwheel. So I click on that, I drag it down, and I put it in between a cut. So I'll put it right there. And now let's take a look at that. That was a subtle transition. Let me show you a more pronounced transition. How about a twist? I'll put a twist right over here at this cut. And then we'll take a look at that. You don't need to put transitions in. They're just added effects. Here comes the twist. I twisted from color to black and white. Pretty cool. And then up here in a few seconds, I'm going to transition to the old movie Sepia. Here it is. A slight transition so that it just kind of fades into it. Well, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification if you want more videos and tutorials concerning the Movavi Video Editor and also the screen recorder. I have both these programs. I really like them, and I'll cover them in detail in a bunch of different videos. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.